Are we settling into a pattern here? Hey everyone, it's Mark Newstater with eXp Realty and the Atkinson team with another Calgary real estate show. And I feel like the Calgary real estate market is settling into a bit of a pattern. So let's take a look at our weekly stats. First off, our new listings at 969, up from last week, but little down from the previous 3, 4, and 5 weeks prior to that. Solds are at 629, similar to last week, but up from the previous 3 weeks, giving us a sale to new listing ratio of 65%. Now, the pattern I feel like we're settling into is in that 60 to 70% sale to new listing ratio overall. Pendings were at 549, slightly down from last week and the previous 2 weeks prior to that. And then our days on market, and this is the pattern, right? We're at 33 days. Last week was 32, 30, 32, 33. So we're in that 30 to 33 range. Our inventory down slightly from last week. Let's send it on over to Jaden now, and we're going to come back after Jaden to tell you about how last year, same week looked.
Thanks, Mark. And I know everybody's not looking back at last week's rates, but if you were, you would notice that rates haven't changed at all. And we had a big Bank of Canada decision yesterday where I expected a quarter-point drop. Didn't happen. The Bank of Canada said there's, inflation is a little bit stickier than they thought. The economy is doing a little bit better than they thought. I think there's a lot of things masking that. Most bank economists expect at least 3/4 points down by the end of the year, maybe more. So if you're in a variable and you're worried and you're thinking maybe now is time to lock in, I still think you have some time. I still think things are going to continue to go down, whether tariffs happen or not. It looks like our economy is heading into a bit of a slowdown, likely a recession. So that means lower rates. So if you are in a variable, don't panic from yesterday's news. Lots of good coming for the rest of the year. Thanks.
Thanks so much, Jaden. Now, when we take a look at our real estate time machine, when we look back a year at the exact same week, look at our sales, only 6% down from last year. Even new listings at this time of year last year were only 15% up. Not a massive difference, but look at the active listings. We've just had weeks and really the last few months here when our new listings outpaced sales by so much that we've ended up in the situation that we're in, where we're almost basically double where we were last year for total inventory. And there you can see the days on market. It's taking 65% longer to sell in 2025 than it did 1 year ago. So if you have questions on all this, we're doing these real estate reviews right now. These are for people that are not selling. You're just curious about what your market value is. We love doing them. We'll get together for a coffee or a Google Meet, and we will provide you with an updated value on your home. So DM me if that is you. We'd love to chat with you, and have a great day, everyone.